Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are watching my video one by one. In this video, we will discuss about face value. I hope you have heard the name face value. What is face value? What is face value of a digit in a number? So, today we will learn it in very well way. How to find we face value of a digit in a number. How to find the face value of a digit in a number, today we will learn. So now we start the video how to find face value of a digit in a number. What is face value of a digit? So come to point. What is face value? What is face value of a digit in a number? Today we will know and learn. So face value is the original or the actual value of a digit in a number. We know that the face value is the original or the actual value of a digit in a number. That means face value of a digit is the digit itself in a number. Let's take an example to understand it. The question is, what is face value of 5 in 65? Here the question is asking the face value of 5 in 65. So I said the face value of a digit is the digit itself. That means in 65 face value of 5 is 5. Face value of 5 is 5. So take another example to understand it well. Here the question is, find the face value of 7 in 2374. That means question is asking face value of 7 in 2374 in 2374. So we will find face value of 7 in 2374. Face value of 7. That means I told face value of a digit is same. Face value of a digit is same. That means face value of 7 is also 7. I hope you are understanding. We will see another example. Here the question is, find the face value of the face value of each digits in number 5402. Here the question is find the face value. Find the face value of each. Each means all digit. Each means every all digit in number 5402. 5402. So we will find face value of each digit. That means all digit. So face value of 2. Face value of 2 is 2. Face value of 0 is 0. Face value of 4 is 4. Face value of 5 is 5. We see that face value of any digit is same digit in that number, leaving its place. That means face value of any digit in a number are then leaving its place. We will write same digit or same number for face value. Okay. See next question. Question is find the sum of face value of 7 in 7237. Here the question is find the sum of face value of 7 in 7237. 7237. So first we will find face value. Of 7 in 7237. Then find the sum. So start. We will find face value of only 7 in this number, because to find the sum of face value of 7 only. So face value of 7 is 7 and this 7 is also 7. So sum equal to 7 plus 7, that means 14. Here the question is saying what is difference of face value of 3 and 7 in 7213. So first we will find face value of 3 and 7 in 7213. So start to find face value of 3 and 7 in 7213. So 7213 face value of 3. Face value of 3 is 3 and face value of 7 is 7. So now we will find difference of face value of 3 and 7. First I tell you that difference means greater number minus smaller number. Difference means greater number minus smaller number. That means we to find difference subtract smaller number from greater number. That means here face value of 7 is greater and face value of 3 is smaller. So we to find difference subtract 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3, that means 4. Again we see it here. Question is saying difference of face value of 3 and 7 in 7230. So first we will find face value of 7 and 3 both in the number, and to find difference we will subtract 7 minus 3 and get 4. So difference is 4. Such that now we will see another example. Here question is what is product of face value of 2 and 6 in 1 2 3 6. Here the question is what is product of face value of 2 and 6 in 1236. So first we will find face value of 2 and 6 in this number. So we start to find face value. So in 1 2 3 6, face value of 6 is 6 and face value of 2 is 2. Face value of 6 is 6 and face value of 2 is 2. So product means multiplication of 2 and 6. So product equal to 2 into 6. 2 into 6 equal to 12. I tell you that product. So I tell you product means the result of multiplication of 2 or more than 2 numbers. That means if we will find the product, that means multiply of the numbers. I hope you are understanding. slowly and step by step. In this video, it is enough. We will discuss place value of a digit in a number in next video. So to watch my more video, if you are not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel to more video step by step learning to math. Thank you.